Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Full Throttle, and I'm back on the Kawasaki. So, let's go riding, shall we? Eddie just got a brand new 2017 XCW 150. Do you not want to go in front of me?
I don't care.
It's okay if you want to go in front of me. What's wrong?
I have no idea. I was going down the hill, it was like, it just died.
How about the side that the petcock is on? Does it have fuel?
Here, can you put that thing right
Mm-hmm.
there? What the heck, man? I was like coming out, I was like,
Did you accidentally hit your kill switch?
I don't think so. I ain't gonna get it.
That's not good.
No, I don't know what it is. What is it? I don't get it. Like, it was just like, it was riding just fine. It wasn't even going fast. I don't get it.
Did you let it warm up?
Yeah, I let it warm up for like 5 minutes before I even got on.
You shouldn't have to open up the throttle. It might have a safety where you can't have the clutch in, just like your pit bike.
No, he told me it had to be, the clutch had to be inside. Okay then. I don't understand why it shouldn't be on. Heard something.
Hit the electric. Smells like it's flooded.
I'm gonna start pushing now, baby. You wanna bring it to our house or I'll bring it to mine. I just don't understand it. Like, how could it be flooded? What was I doing that made it flood? Dude, I don't get it. I was barely even getting
Do you have a fuel filter on that?
There's a fuel filter on it too.
Brand new bike. Brand new. It's a brand new dirt bike. Unless you're low on fuel, but...
I can see mine too.
Well, let's see what's wrong with it. Well, that actually really sucks.
There's gas. Apparently there's oil.
Yeah, well, that's only the oil from the mixture, so.
Maybe they contaminated my gas. No, I'm kidding. Otherwise it wouldn't have worked last night.
It's not your fault.
I just can't think of anything that I did wrong.
Okay.
Hang out.
Did you see that Snapchat I sent you?
Which one?
I sent you a picture of that thumbnail I did of last week. That for this week.
No, I don't.
You need to see it. It's pretty funny. When you remember when you were pushing the four-wheeler? Yeah. That's the thumbnail, buddy. All right, we'll see you later. Well, that really does kind of suck. But what are you gonna do?
Get low when the whistle go.